Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group X, Agro B, will present a scientific paper entitled Utilization of Organic Fertilizer in Realizing Sustainable Agriculture. Before that, I will introduce the member of this group. I myself, Ahmad Muladi, with study number 16, and Dewi Rosita with study number 73, and Arsa Karis with study number 77. Here are what we are going to talk about. The first is background, why we talk about this topic, and then what is organic fertilizer and sustainable agriculture, and then organic fertilizer and unorganic fertilizer, which one better, then examples of organic fertilizer and their benefits for plant growth, and the last conclusion. Alright, included in the first discussion is the background. Why we talk about this topic? Fertilization is one of the plant maintenance activities that play an important role in plant productivity. Fertilization aims to add certain nutrients elements in the soil to meet the needs of cultivated plants. The types of fertilizer used in general are non-organic and organic fertilizer. Non-organic fertilizer are fertilizers made by factories with the composition of non-organic chemicals with high nutrient content. Non-organic fertilizers are able to provide nutrients in a relatively faster time, contain more nutrients, do not have a strong odor, are practical and easy to apply. The use of non-organic fertilizer or chemical fertilizer in the long term cause the levels of soil organic matter to decrease. The soil structure is damaged and environmental pollution is caused. If this continues, it will reduce soil quality and environmental health. To maintain and increase the productivity of the soil, a combination of non-organic fertilizer with the right organic fertilizer is needed.
Okay, in this part, we will talk about what is organic fertilizer and what is sustainable agriculture. First, organic fertilizer is a fertilizer that comes from animal waste and green plants and has controlled the fermentation and composting process. Organic fertilizer could be in the form of bokashi, fertilizer green, or manure with material obtained from the surrounding environment such as household waste, dry leaf, and livestock waste. The application of organic fertilizer is to increase organic matter content in the soil. Such organic matter will affect and enhance soil for the physical, biological, and chemical properties. Source material for fertilizer very various with characteristic physics and content with the first chemical or nutrient, so that the effect of the use of organic fertilizer to land and crops may vary. The role of organic fertilizer is very useful for increasing agricultural production, both quality and quantity, reduce environmental pollution, and improve quality land in a way sustainable. Consumption fertilizer, uh, I mean, consumption of organic fertilizer in turn can increase land productivity and can prevent land degradation. And next, we will talk about what is sustainable agriculture. Agricultural sustainability is the management of land to meet the economic need of the community feasibly and sustainably by applying agrotechnology that can ensure the sustainability of land resource and biosocial culture. Saying the others, agricultural sustainability can provide a food supply in the term of the vital animal rich quality with price affordable without reducing the ability of future generation to do the same. Sustainability referred to in the concept of sustainable agriculture includes the use of resources, quality, and quantity of production, as well as the environment. The purpose of agricultural sustainable development is maintaining and increasing the need for the land and natural resources and protecting the environment to guarantee farmers' income, ensuring conservation energy, increasing productivity, uh, increase quality and food safety, and create harmony between farmer and social factor. Social factor, the economy.
And then the second discussion is about benefit of using organic fertilizer. There are several benefits of using organic fertilizers compared to the use of inorganic fertilizers. First, organic fertilizers contain more complex microelements than inorganic fertilizers. Second, organic fertilizers will give life to soil microorganisms that can increase soil fertility, while the use of inorganic fertilizers can cause reduced hazards that make the soil hard and sour. Then in the addition, the raw material for the manufacture of organic fertilizers are available all the time. The price is cheap and the composting process is very easy. The use of organic fertilizers can improve the physical properties of the soil, including reducing soil bulk and increasing the availability of soil water content. In addition, it also significantly affects the chemical properties of the soil, including increasing soil pH, soil organic carbon, and the availability of soil N total and P nutrient. And then the third discussion is about example of organic fertilizers. Number one is green manure. Green manure is a fertilizer that comes from crop produce or plants that are specially grown as a producer of green manure or from wild plants. The types of plants that are used as source of green manure are prioritized from the type of leguminous because these plants have a relatively high nutrient content compared to the other types of plants. Based on the result of research from Tantra and Titin in 2017, the application of green manure can increase the number of leaves, leaf area, leaf outer index, fresh weight, dry weight, flower diameter, and flower fresh weight of broccoli plants. And then number two is compost. Compost is a fertilizer derived from organic materials, stalks, tendrils, carangs, and animal manure that have undergone and decomposition process by decomposition microorganisms. So that they can use to improve soil properties. Compost contains materials, nutrients that are essential for plants. Based on the result of research from Nining uh, on 2018, giving bed manure compost had a significant effect on plant height growth, stem diameter, and cob weight of sweet corn plants.
And the last slide, and the last is conclusion. Fertilization is one of the plant maintenance activities that play an important role in plant productivity. Fertilization is mostly done by farmers using non-organic fertilizer. The use of non-organic fertilizer in the long term causes the decrease in soil organic matter content, damage soil structure, and environmental pollution. This can then this can then affect the sustainability of ecosystem and agriculture. One way to prevent ecosystem damage is to release sustainable agriculture, one of which is the use of organic fertilizer. The role of organic fertilizer is very beneficial for increasing agriculture production both in quality and quantity, reducing environmental pollution, and improving land quality in a sustainable manner. That's enough our group presentation. More or less, we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.